So now we are all set. Let me just edit the index.jade so it can show the button to take us to the about page. So I'm gonna say a with href equals to about href, and then I'm gonna say button with type of button and h3 to about. Now let's edit the about route. Let's go to index.js and the about. Let me actually copy this code right here because it's the same thing. Alright, I paste it here. I only need to, instead of home here, I'm gonna say about. Here I'm gonna say about. Here I'm gonna say about, and let's render about. The about page as well, we need that to about that button, so we have to copy this about. You're gonna say actually let me copy the whole thing about, and the recording visit to title visit count is to counter about home, and this will take us to home. So let's save and go refresh to about to home. Alright, so it says 404 not found, and if we go here to the app, actually it's not home, it's index, and actually no, it's just nothing. So if I hit refresh, it works. To about, now 2, to home 31, 3, 32, and so on and so forth. And now we all set. Hope you're enjoying this tutorial. One last thing I want to say is that I wanted to use React for the instead of Jade for the front end, but it's a simple thing and is not deserved. I hope that I'm going to use React in a big project tutorial coming soon, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching.